Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about eyelashes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, if you don't, my handle is right here. I recently-ish, like I think maybe in the middle of July, I got eyelash extensions for the first time. I hated them. Like I just hated the way that they looked and I could not wait to get them off. So I ended up buying a product that would help me get them off, which I did. But because they are attached to your lashes, they can ruin your natural lashes, which I work really hard at getting my lashes long and healthy. So my lashes were totally ruined. So I wanted to share kind of how I got my lashes back to being normal and just kind of my lash routine, if you will. First things first, I want to apologize because I did a bunch of check-ins from the second week of July through today, but they're not consistent. Some of them I have makeup on, some of them I don't, and then I say that I'm gonna put makeup on and check in again and then I don't, or I say I'll take my makeup off and then I don't. Like, it was just not easy to keep up with when I was gonna do the check-ins. I just wasn't consistent about it. This is the first time I filmed a video that I was filming over a long period of time. So I apologize in advance that not every single check-in has with makeup and without, but there's a good mix between the two along the entire last 2 months. So first, I just want to share kind of what I personally use to grow my lashes. I have been using this product for years. It is called Neulash, and this is what the container of it looks like. I just think that this works really, really well. Like I said, I've been using this for a few years now, and I'll go on and off of using it, and right now, for the past couple of months, I have been using it. Usually, I like to get in the habit of using it for a long period of time, and then once you get your lashes to where you want them to be, I use it every other night instead of every night, just so that you can maintain. But there have been times that I will forget to repurchase it, and then I'm like, oh, my lashes will stay long. They do not. So this product will help you grow your lashes, but if you stop using it, your lashes will go back to their normal state. The other thing I want to address is I do have green eyes. This has not changed my eye color at all. I have used it, like I said, for years, and I still have green eyes. I know that that's one of the big things. I want to say, I can't remember the name of the first one, Latisse maybe? I believe that one is the one that was like the first one on the market, and people were saying that it changed their eye color from a color to brown. This does not do that at all. So in case you were worried, at least not for me. I don't know if there's an ingredient that it could possibly change it. I am not a doctor. All I'm saying is from my personal experience, my eyes have not changed colors. In one of the check-ins that I do show how I apply it, so you'll see all of that as well. So let's hop into all of my check-ins. I think they start on either July 14th or the 17th. All right, I'm getting ready to do my makeup. I figured this can be my first day check-in, starting at my Neulash. So this is what my lashes are looking like. I'm gonna put mascara on and then I will show you guys. Well, I got ready and then totally forgot to update you guys on my lashes. So this is what they look like with makeup on. I'm trying to show you all of the angles, even if it's not flattering, just so that you can see real what makeup looks like, what makeup doesn't look like. So yeah, day one, hopefully they regrow soon. It is 10 o'clock p.m. I am getting ready to do my nighttime skincare routine. So I figured I would just show you guys how I apply the Neulash. This is the first day that I am back using it. So let's do a little before. So close up, this is my lashes. I'm gonna try and do like a couple angles, looking down, looking up, and then just kind of straight forward. My lashes are pretty straight. I'm just gonna show you, this is the Neulash. I just got a new one, so I don't know which one is the new one. I think this one is, it feels newer. So let me open this up and then I will show you guys putting it on. Okay, so it just has this little brush, and all you do, I don't know how I'm gonna do this close up. Hold please. Okay, I just created like a makeshift tripod so that I could do this really close up for you guys. So anyway, oh. Here is a trick while I'm looking at it. I took the stopper out because I was running out of product. So this is what it normally looks like and has this rubber stopper. I just took tweezers to it and took it out so I could get the last bit of product out of it. I mean, this is expensive, so I'm not trying to waste any of it. So yeah, I was using it to literally the last drop. Okay, so the new one, I just take this little brush and then brush right at your lash line. So you just want to make sure that it's fully coated and you just go over it. I don't dip in more than once per eye. I usually dip into the container one time for each eye, but then I'll just kind of like use it up, I guess you could say. Just kind of go over it and make sure that I've coated every area. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna do all of my skincare and then go to bed. I will show you guys what my lashes look like with mascara on and then tomorrow, and then I will update you again in a week. It is July 30th. I am just gonna show you my lashes right now with no makeup on. And then I'm gonna do my eye makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished up my eye makeup and this is what my lashes look like. I can't remember the last day that I updated you guys on my lashes, but it is August 3rd. So here's an update of my lashes with no makeup on them. So I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on right now and then I'll show you what they look like with makeup. It is so hard to remember to do updates over a long period of time for a video. I've never done a video that I am updating for weeks. So it is September 6th. Let's see if I can actually do this. September 6th. So I have no idea when the last update I did was, but here is my lash situation right now. I will also show you guys what they look like without any makeup on, but that they look, I feel like they're finally growing back out and they're looking more normal again after having those lash extensions. So that is the update for now. I think I probably will do another update in like a week and then show you guys the before and after. But yeah, so far, so good. Hey guys, it is September 14th. So I just wanted to show you an update on my lashes. This is what they look like. They're not curled, they don't have anything on them. So I don't know if you're gonna really be able to see. I'm gonna curl them really quick because I have super straight lashes. So even if they're longer, they are still very straight. So I'm gonna curl them and show you guys what they look like with them curled, and then also once I put mascara on. Okay, I just curled them, so I feel like you'll probably be able to see them a little bit better now. All right, I just put one layer of mascara on and I definitely can tell obviously a huge difference from no mascara to one layer, but this is what my lashes look like right now. All right, I think I did a check-in yesterday. I'm not really sure. It is September 15th. So this is going to be my last progress check-in with no makeup, and then I'm going to put makeup on right now and I will show you what my lashes look like with makeup on. So this is straightforward. I hope that it's so hard to get angles when your eyes are closed, but I did notice in some of the footage that I was looking down, but my face was straight forward, so you can't really see them. So I'm hoping you can really see them in that one. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I will show you guys what they look like with my makeup on. All right, I just finished the rest of my makeup. So this is what my lashes look like straight on. I finally feel like they have fully recovered from having those lash extensions that completely ruined them, and I am so glad. So that takes us up to today. I think there is a gigantic difference between the before and the after. I swear by this product. I know a lot of you guys have asked me questions if I've tried a different lash serum before, which I have not. This is the only one that I've tried. I would be open to trying another one, but I don't know if it's hard to do because I have to stop using this, let my lashes go back to being bad, and then try another one, and then it's like, you know, 6 to 8 weeks of noticing if you have results or not. And I love when my lashes look like this, so it's kind of like if it's not broke, don't fix it. So this is the one that I use currently. I am obsessed with it. So I highly, highly recommend it if you guys want to find a lash serum that will help your lashes grow long. I also wanted to mention the mascara that I used today. This is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I mentioned this in my 5 first impressions video, which I will link up here in case you missed it. I heard not great things about this, and I'm obsessed with this mascara. I've used it every single day since I filmed that video. I feel like my lashes look so long, they stay curled. I'm obsessed with it. So this is the mascara that I am using. I put 2 coats of this on. But if you guys do have any other questions about this, about the mascara, about your lashes, about how I apply it, anything like that, let me know down below in the bottom bar. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.